of New Jersey's oldest theaters just got a makeover, and its new look brings back memories of Jersey City in days gone by. We head to the Stanley Theater right off Kennedy Boulevard in a brand new Discover, New Jersey this morning.
There's been a rebirth at Journal Square. A legendary theater is back. The Stanley looks brand new.
So it's one of the great movie palaces in the country, maybe the world.
It opened in 1928, playing Hollywood's latest releases, and it immediately became the cultural hub of the city.
This was a refuge for the people of Jersey City. Suddenly, you're transformed from your daily grind into one of the more spectacular spaces in the country.
85 years later, the theater's been completely refurbished. Jehovah's Witnesses bought the place 30 years ago, and they just finished a 6-month restoration. With its Venetian theme, it looks just like it did in the 20s.
They've kept the end plates that were on the seating row.
The old and the new.
Yeah, they've done a great job of meshing the two and keeping the character and the feeling.
In the lobby, there's tile below and history above. This is the 100-year-old chandelier from the old Waldorf Astoria Hotel in New York. And everywhere, marble and fixtures from the era. The theater itself, expansive. It seats over 3,000.
To give you an idea of how big this place is, it's still the 4th largest theater in the United States. It's hosted everything from high school graduations to a Grateful Dead concert.
And this is one of the grandest of them all.
Grand again, thanks to tireless preservation efforts.
I think the people of Jersey City are in for a treat when they come inside.
Beautiful place, and I tell you, walking by, you'd never know what's just inside that building. The Jehovah's Witnesses are using the Stanley for conventions and assemblies. It is open to the public, though, on weekends. They have done a wonderful job fixing that place up, making it look like